Hello friends, welcome back to the second part of Learn Python from the beginning tutorial series. In this video, I will discuss about Python comments in details with necessary examples and notes. Python comments can be used to explain Python code. You can explain line by line, or you can explain a segment of code. Let's hear some comments. Okay, let's write a condition. Eight is if 8 is greater than 6, then print hello. 8 is greater. Let's write a comment. This condition is checking if 8 is greater than 6. If if true, or if it is, then print print the below from in the print string. It is better. Let's run it. Okay, we know 8 is greater than 6, so the condition is true and it's printing 8 is greater. So this is how we can explain the code segment or line. It can be used to make the code more readable. Okay, as we are explaining the following line, this condition, this line, we are explaining this course. That's how any other developer, if see this file, you will easily understand that what is doing which line doing what, and that's how it can be make more readable. Okay, what else we can do with the comments? It also can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Okay, we can say we want to test another line. Let's go to another segment and we want to skip this line from executing, so we will just comment this out. Okay, now this two lines or this whole condition segment is comment out, so Python interpreter will skip these lines. And let's check another condition. If 8 is 8 is greater than 12, print 8 is greater, and we already know 8 is not greater, so we will another segment, print 12 is greater. So we all know which will be printed. It will print 12 is greater because 12 is bigger. and this condition is false. When this condition is false, it will skip to jump to the next condition. Okay, let's see. 12 is greater, it's printing 12 is greater. So we comment out these two lines or this condition so that we this don't executed by the Python interpreter, and we tested new lines or new codes. That's how we can use comments to prevent executing any code segment. Okay, now we know how to comment, but where we can put these comments? We can put this comment above or below code lines or in the right of code lines like this. We can put this code line or new line. Let's, this is one condition, this is another condition. Let's execute this command again, and 12 is greater, and it's executing just fine. So this is all about single line comment. But what about multi-line comments? Actually, Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. So what we will do in when if we want to put multi-line comment, to add multi-line comment, we could insert a pound sign for each line. So this is how it goes. This is the first line, and we can add another line, we can add another line, or we can add here with anywhere. So we can put this comment up, down, right, anywhere. Let's see if it works in the left side. What do you think? Because if we insert any comment in the left side, then it will comment the whole line. So we can put this one or comment in the left side. We can use it above the line, below the line, and right side of the line. And how we use multi-line? Multi-line, we just put pound sign or hash sign any single line or all the lines, how many lines we need to comment this code segment. So that's it for this comments video. We'll talk about in details about variables in the next video. So let's meet on the next one. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Besides, leave a comment if you have any question or suggestion. Like and share videos. Thank you very much.